Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English for You. I'm your teacher, Kelly.
And I'm Jack, the student. Hello. It is good to be here.
Hello, Jack. It's wonderful to have you. Today, we have a very important topic. It can be a difficult topic. Today, we will talk about what to do when people laugh at your English.
Oh, Kelly, this is a hard topic. I don't like when people laugh. It makes me feel bad. It makes me feel shy.
I understand, Jack. It is a bad feeling, and every single learner feels this sometimes. So today, we will learn how to be strong. We will learn what to do and what to say. The goal is to feel confident, even when you make mistakes.
Okay, I want to feel confident. I am ready.
Great! First, let's talk about the feeling. When someone laughs at your English, how does it make you feel?
It makes me feel small. I feel stupid. I think, oh no, my English is very bad. Then I don't want to speak anymore. I want to be quiet.
Yes, you feel small, you feel stupid, you want to be quiet. These are very normal feelings. But I want to tell you a secret, Jack, and I want to tell all our listeners a secret.
A secret?
The problem is not your English. The problem is the person who is laughing. A kind person does not laugh at someone who is learning. A kind person helps. So, remember that. The problem is not you.
The problem is not me. Okay, I like that. But what can I do? I still feel bad.
Yes. So, let's learn some strategies. Strategy number 1 is very simple. It is remember your why.
Remember my why? What is a why?
Your why is your reason for learning English. Why are you learning English, Jack?
I am learning English for a better job, and I want to travel. I want to talk to people from other countries.
That is a beautiful why. A better job, traveling, talking to people, those are big, important reasons. Is the opinion of one person more important than your big reason?
No, my reason is more important. My job is more important.
Exactly. So, when someone laughs, you take a deep breath and think about your why. You think about your new job. You think about traveling. This makes their laugh feel very, very small. Your reason is big. Their laugh is small.
I understand. I focus on my big reason.
Yes. Now, let's do a small practice for our listeners. Right now, I want everyone to think about your reason. Why are you learning English? Think about it. Is it for a job, for school, for love, for travel? Hold that reason in your mind. That is your power. Okay, good job. Now, for strategy number 2, this one is my favorite. I call it the magic phrase.
A magic phrase? Like in a movie?
Exactly. It is a phrase you can say that will make you feel strong. When someone laughs, you can look at them, smile, and say, I am learning. Can you please help me?
Wow, I am learning. Can you please help me?
Yes, let's practice that. I want everyone listening to repeat after me. Kelly, I am learning. Can you please help me?
I like this phrase. It is very powerful. I am not angry. I am not sad. I am strong. I am asking for help.
That's it. You show them that you are a learner and you are proud to be a learner. A nice person will stop laughing and will help you. A person who is not nice, well, we don't care about their opinion, right?
Right. We remember our why.
Perfect. Now, for our last strategy. Strategy number 3 is laugh with them.
Laugh with them, but they're laughing at me.
Sometimes a mistake is just funny. For example, one time my student wanted to say, I am full, but he said, I am a fool. Full and fool sound similar. It was a little funny.
Okay, that is funny.
Yes, so I laughed with him, not at him. If you make a funny mistake, it is okay to laugh too. You can say, oh, that was funny, and then you can correct yourself. This shows everyone that you are very confident. You are not embarrassed. You are learning.
So if I make a funny mistake, I can laugh too. It takes away their power.
Yes, you said it perfectly, Jack. It takes away their power. So, let's review our 3 strategies. What was number 1?
Number 1 was remember your why, my big reason for learning English.
Excellent. And what was strategy number 2? The special one.
The magic phrase, I am learning, can you please help me?
Wonderful. And the last one? Number 3?
Laugh with them if the mistake is funny. Show that I am confident.
You are an amazing student, Jack. That's everything. I want all our listeners to remember this. A person who is learning another language is smart. You are brave. You are doing something difficult. Be proud of your journey. Be proud of your mistakes. Every mistake is one step closer to your goal.
I feel much better now. I feel strong. Next time, if someone laughs, I know what to do. I will remember my why.
That is the spirit. You are in control, not them.
Thank you, Kelly. This was a very, very helpful lesson.
You are so welcome, Jack. And thank you to everyone for listening to Easy English for You. We will see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Be proud.